So good afternoon to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Brightcom group share. So it was the most recommended share in the comment section, so I have decided to make a video on it. So in this video we'll discuss completely both the technicals as well as the fundamentals. So the technicals will be very important. We'll discuss excellent supports where we need to focus on this share, so people who are interested in this share, they can enter at that particular levels. Okay, so people who are not yet subscribed to the channel, so definitely subscribe to the channel to not miss any update. So let's get started with it. So firstly I want to discuss about the circular which was recently given by Brightcom group yesterday. So we'll see what was given in that circular, and then we'll discuss overall view of the company. So if we see the circular which was given yesterday on July 3rd, 2020, so if we see, the company said that with the reference to SEBI, we would like to inform that our company Brightcom Group Limited is not a large corporate. So it's trying to tell that it's not a large corporate company. But the people who don't know, actually Brightcom is trading currently at 8 rupees. It's a penny stock, and it's also a small cap stock. Okay, so recently even its results were declared, so we'll also see the financial results of it. So the company wants to tell that it's not a large corporate and it's completely into small business only. But if we see, the business of the company is very good. Okay, it's into digital marketing and it has a very bright future. So mark the words, digital marketing has very bright future. If you see Apple India, it is also into digital marketing, and you can see the share price. Even though it's a small cap company, you can see the share price of it is 1500 rupees. So that is the demand of digital marketing. Okay, should not neglect any digital marketing shares. Okay, so we'll discuss all the fundamentals of this company. So as I was telling, Brightcom Group is a digital marketing company, and it was founded in 2000, and its headquarters is in India only, and its main branch that is present in Hyderabad. Okay, and if you see, its offices are also present in US, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, and so many different countries. And you can see the current price in NSE is around 8.50, and it is in lower circuits, and we'll try to find out the reason why it is in lower circuits. Okay, key person is Mr. Suresh Reddy. Okay, now let us see the overview of the company. So if we see the overview of the company, we can see that the market cap is around 431 crores, and if we see, it doesn't declare give any dividends also. And if you see the PE, okay, you can see the PE is currently at 0.98, so it is very fairly valued, and it's very undervalued at this point also. And you can see industry P is 20.36. Okay, we know that since so many days it was in lower circuits, in between it gave an upper circuit also. So it completely, operator is doing trading in the stock. Okay, he's putting the price constant. Sometimes it's going up, sometimes it's going down. Okay, we should not panic at that particular situation. Okay, so what is the main strategy? We need to add in small quantities. Okay, penny stock means you should add in small quantities only, and at particular levels. Okay, since the future of the company is very good, so we should not panic about operators. They may do today, tomorrow, or 1 week they may do. Later the stock has to move, right? So we need to focus on that. So deliveries are 100%, and rest of all is very good for the company. Next, if we see the shareholding. Next, if we see the shareholding of the company, you can see the promoters are having 36.72, and similarly if we see in previous quarters it was 39. So promoter holding is slightly decreasing. Okay, so pledging is decreasing. Okay, another important thing is that pledging is there, but it is decreasing. So it is a very good sign for the company that pledging is decreasing. So you need to focus on that also. And if you see, FI's holding is slightly decreasing, not that too. And if you see, DI's holding is also slightly decreased. So rest of all is zero. For the mutual fund holding is zero, financial institution bank is zero. Since it is a very small cap, so that many holdings of mutual fund is not there right now. Okay, and it's also recently listed at around 2016 or 2017, I guess. Okay, So next, if we see the returns of the company, so it has given excellent returns in 1 year. It has almost given 120% returns. Okay, and if you see in 3 months, 142%, 6 months 29, and 1 month 3%, and in 1 week it has given negative returns due to huge movement. You know that in previous month around it was trading in 3 rupees, and suddenly it has moved to 12 rupees, where a bulk deal happened. Okay, we'll see which company did that bulk deal. Okay, after that it has fallen to this particular levels. Okay, so if you see the bulk deal that was happened was around June 16th. Okay, the bulk deal which happened was around June 16th. You can see here June 16th it was happened. It was Oak India Investments. It has sold around 35 lakh shares at 11 rupees. Okay, on that day even the circuit was open and the stock was trading in between, and so many retailers also took small amount in that share. Okay, nothing to worry about taking investments. Okay, and if you see later on Wednesday 24 June 2020, Alpha Leon Enterprises bought 25 lakh shares, and it's a very good sign. Okay, Alpha Leon also bought at 9.05 rupees. Shares were taken by this company. Okay, so after that also the company has started falling. Okay, due to the operators game. Okay, little bit of profit booking has happened, so we'll try to find out the levels where again the operators will enter and push the stock upwards. Okay, so if you see the financial trend of the stock, you can see that it's in green financial trend. So Brightcom has all reported positive financial performance. Okay, we can see that PAT, okay, higher at 22.86 crore, net sales are high at 124.19 crores. Okay, the financial trend of this company is good right now. So if you see the partners of this, you can see these are different partners of Brightcom group. Why it is into digital marketing, you know that Google AdSense is, you can see the partners of it are Google, Microsoft is also its partner, and you can see AOI, and IoT is also its main business. You know that this is the future of our country. Okay, so you need to focus on these type of shares. So next, if you see technically, so write down, mark these levels. So first let's see weekly chart. So you can see the weekly charts, you can find excellent levels. You can see it started filling the gap. So people who don't know what actually is gap trading, so you can go through my playlist and watch what is gap trading. So it's currently filling the gap from where it has started. So the must watch levels you can see is 7.53, again it's 9.02, again it has two resistances around 10.65 and 12.59. So you need to watch out for these levels. You can see it's currently trading in this range. So even the money flow index is almost, it has gone to oversold region. So you can see that it is almost in oversold region. Okay, so current levels to watch out is around 7.53 and 9.02. Now it has entered in a range between these two, so you need to focus on this. Okay, so next, if we see in 1 day chart, so we can find out that the same levels, you can see it's trading in completely 2-3 regions. Okay, so between 9.02 and 7.53, again it will enter into 9.02 and 10.05 region, and again and to 12.59 and 10.65 region. So these are the basic levels currently in which the stock is trading. So you need, what you need to do, once it respects that 7.53 level, okay, once it respects that 7.53 level, or if it gives a breakout, if Monday, if it gives a breakout about 9.02, then what you need to do, you need to enter in small quantity, and if it supports that 7.53 level, then you need to enter in small quantity. Okay, resistance and support, so you need to watch out both of these two price levels. Okay, so why I'm telling to focus, because the company future is very good. Okay, because it is into digital marketing. Only one thing is that it's full of operators, so that is one negative about this company. Apart from that, everything is great for this company. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, only the, you need to focus on the levels and add in little quantity. If you add in heavy quantity, you may be trapped. Okay, you will not know what to do. You'll become panic and you'll start selling. So to avoid that, if you invest in small quantity, you will be on safe side. Okay, so this is 1 week and that is 1 day chart. So this is all about Brightcom share. So if you like the video, do like it, and if you are new, then definitely subscribe for all the latest updates. Okay, in the next video also I'll take another share from the comments only, okay, which is requested, and I will make a video on it and we'll discuss all the levels. So until then, take care, bye bye.